may have been, I don't know, one of the most hopeful weeks of this entire pandemic. I mean, seeing those crates of the vaccines land in Oregon and then begin to be administered to our frontline healthcare workers, it was this much needed boost of confidence. Like, wow, it's happening. We're really seeing it happening. This week, the Oregon Health Authority expects it will have received more than 35,000 doses of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine. And it's expecting to get even more next week, right? The shipments are going to keep on coming. Nearly 41,000 doses, they said. That's what they were expecting to get. Notice that word, expecting, because now OHA is expecting just more than 23,000, a nearly 40% cut. Now, I want to thank our viewer, Brenda, for asking the question that I think was on everyone's mind after hearing that. Why are we getting fewer vaccines than they first said? What's the deal with that? Well, according to our state leaders, it's all the federal government's fault. Governor Brown tweeted, "This was a federal decision, and I'm seeking answers from the CDC about the reliability of the data we are receiving from week to week as Oregon builds our vaccine distribution plan." Jonathan Modi from OHA put it, I don't know, maybe a little more bluntly in tonight's quote of the day. He said, "We get what we get from the federal government." Now, other states are also finding themselves in a very similar bind. Washington Governor Jay Inslee tweeted that the CDC alerted him about the cuts this week and that, quote, "no explanation was given." Now, as far as Pfizer is concerned, their part, they have said, look, they aren't having any production issues. There are no shipping issues. So from where we stand, we don't really know why both Oregon and Washington are getting 40% less than what we were promised.